what we are talking about here is mitigation, of course, flood control, all of that. That of course is the biggest thing. But then it is adaptation. This is not an extraordinary situation anymore. Do not think of it as a special situation. This is, I hate to use the overused phrase, but this is the new normal. Ganito na talaga ang buhay natin kahit ano pang gawin natin. Kaya wala tayong kailangan ang pag-iisip natin, hindi natin sinasabi, ay, baka sakaling magbagyo. Magkakabagyo talaga. At saka ganito. So paghandaan na natin, pag-isip na tayo ng mga panibagong paraan para yun, sa pag-aaral, sa paggagamot ng ating mga may sakit, tapos sa pagdala ng relief goods, sa all of these things. And I think that's the most important shift in thinking that we have to think. In my lifetime, bagyo is an extraordinary activity. Pagka may bagyo, siyempre, bata ka, walang pasok, yun lang. But it's not normal. It's like something unusual that it happens every once in a while. Lalo na yung baha na ganito, every once in a while lang yan nangyayari. So we have to change kasi tayo, well, I don't want to drag anybody into my old generation, but tayo, more or less, the way we think of it is a once in a while dadaan yung bagyo. We have to change our thinking and say, look, this is the way it's going to be as far as we know for many decades to come. So let's just prepare. Think of it in terms of this is what we have to do, because this kind of situation will continue to arise every time there is a storm, and the storms are coming. They're coming more quickly. They're becoming more strong. They are dumping more water on us. Ang consuelo de bobo natin is that pag nakikita natin ng mga ibang lugar, we see what happened in Texas, we see what happens in India, we see what happens in other places. It's really the change in climate. And we have to understand that the climate has changed. The rain patterns have changed. Memoryado na natin kailan dadating yung bagyo eh. Kaya alam na natin kung saan dadaan yung bagyo. Memoryado na natin lahat yun eh. Memoryado na natin saan magbabaha. Many, and probably even most, I go so far as to say, most of those things no longer apply.